our laundry options. You can have wash and dry. In this case, they will not be ironed or folded. We have wash, dry, and fold, which does not include ironing. And then we have wash, dry, iron, and fold. So your laundry will be charged by pound. You do not have to weigh it yourself. You can have your pro launderer weigh it for you. And if it's inaccurate, we will change the weight of the load. And we will also send you video evidence of the weight. You will not be charged extra for the number of bags you provide. You can provide as many or as less as you want. It's just for our own count. For the weight of the load, you do not have to scale it yourself if you do not have a scale. You can just put in 10 pounds and we will weigh it ourselves. Products, we have bleach, scent, which is an additional 10 cents, softener, dryer sheets, and white separate. White separate just means it's a different load. There's 2 different loads for the whites. And the white separate is an additional 70 cents, while the bleach, the softener, and dryer sheets are 9 cents by pound. The additional requests, these are all free. You can choose whichever you'd like. And for your special instructions, this is just if you have any preferences, you can just add a note. And you also have a I will provide my own products section. If you have any of these additional charges products, you can click the I will provide my own products option and provide it to the pro launderer, and they will use them and then return them back to you afterwards. Here I've chosen my products. Now we're going to go forward with our payment. We have a minimum of 24 hours gap, which is necessary. So let's say I want to do my laundry tomorrow. I get to choose whether I want to in the morning or afternoon and when I want my drop off. You have to add your address in order to have the services provided. And here you get to choose whether you live in a home, a work, a hotel, and then let's say we live at a home. We get to choose whether you want your pickup and drop off at the side door, front door, basement, or back door. Also have your call or text on arrival and delivery so that you're notified. For work option, you can enter your business name and your buzzer code. Same with hotels, you can also put in your buzzer door. You can even provide a note right here, such as whether you want your doorbell rang or be called. And for a hotel, you can ask them to leave it at your room or on the front desk. You can put in your name of the hotel, and same for notes. I've just finished putting in my information. This is just to verify if all your information is correct. Now I'm just going to paste my coupon code. And just put in your credit card information. Once you put in your credit card information, just know you have not been charged yet. You will be charged after your laundry is done and delivered to you. This is just a verification process. Now you can go on orders and see the progress of your load. Right now you've just requested a bid driver. Once you click